In today's show, Bitcoin futures breaks $50,000. We even touched 50K on some of the top exchanges. In today's show, we'll be discussing why Bitcoin price is primed for yet another leg up. That's right, as crypto quants Ki-Jung Ju points out, this 50K battle is about Coinbase whales, USD, versus stablecoin whales, USDT. Negative Coinbase premium, but plentiful stablecoins and exchanges. Negative premium should be cooled down to get another leg up. And as Mac and BTC points out, new base is about to be built on Bitcoin. This is an ideal scenario in my books. With the current state of the market, we might tap $52,000, continue consolidating, and go higher. I'll be breaking all this down for you in today's show. And regarding Bitcoin hitting a new all-time high, here's a beautiful quote from Max Keiser. Exploring the intricacies of price discovery is as vast and cosmic as exploring outer space. There is no limit to our collective, unconscious inner space, and price discovery is the only way to explore it. Bitcoin is perfect price discovery. Touche. And Willy Woo tweeted, number of the day, 4 trillion. 4 trillion of cash sitting in U.S. non-financial corporations. 4 trillion is also gold's financial cap. 4 trillion is also Bitcoin's projected cap for the end of this year. On current models, we'll be discussing this here in today's show. Also, breaking news, Bitcoin's fully diluted market cap just surpassed $1 trillion. Also in today's show, we'll be discussing why the Bitcoin price could be heading to $1 million according to Kraken's Dan Held. That's right, in a new interview he did on the What Bitcoin Did podcast, he outlines the catalyst that he believes could ignite a Bitcoin super cycle and catapult the leading crypto to $1 million. And he believes that the current bull market could grow exponentially larger than Bitcoin's boom cycles in 2013 and 2017. Also in today's episode, we'll be taking a look at the overall crypto market. Hallelujah, we just surpassed once and for all $50,000. Did you see that? A new all-time high, breaking a major psychological barrier. We're going to be discussing all this, plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day, so be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right, and turn on all notifications to receive daily premium Crypto News Alerts every single day, just like this. And before I kick off today's show, today's episode is brought to you by our sponsor, BlockFi, the leading provider of financial products and services for crypto investors. Here's where you can put your crypto to work and start earning up to an 8.6% annual percentage yield with the BlockFi interest account. All you need to do to get started is click the link right down below, and you can get up to a $250 crypto bonus with a deposit of $25 or more. Click that link, it'll take you here, then click this yellow button which says sign up, and you'll notice that the referral code is already pre-populated for you to take advantage of this bonus. Now they're currently paying out a 6% annual percentage yield on Bitcoin, so you can literally have your sats work for you. And on USDT, they're paying out 9.3%. Now what I love most about BlockFi, besides the fact it's so easy to use and that there's no hidden fees, is the fact they're backed by the biggest names in the industry, including Fidelity, Winklevoss, Morgan Creek, and Coinbase. So what are you waiting for? Click the link right down below and get up to a $250 crypto bonus, and let's start stacking those sats, shall we? All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. Hallelujah, we just surpassed that critical 50K resistance once and for all. It started with the Bitcoin futures, and we just broke out above it as I hit the record button. The price of Bitcoin surpassed 50K for the first time in history. So mark today, February 16th, in the history books. Now let's discuss why more upside is likely for the king of all crypto. Shortly after this morning of hitting 49,500, Bitcoin saw a steep pullback, declining by around 3.5% within several hours, but we climb right back. Have you noticed that the dips are very short-lived during this bull market? And as crypto quant CEO Ki-Jung Ju explained, this 50K battle is about Coinbase whales USD versus stablecoin whales USDT. Negative Coinbase premium, but plentiful stablecoins and exchanges. Negative premium should be cooled down to get another leg up. Key emphasized that there was a negative Coinbase premium at the time Bitcoin rejected 50,000 earlier this morning. For Bitcoin to cleanly break past it, he explained that the negative premium has to be cooled down. Now, since the initial rejection, the Coinbase premium has stabilized, reaching parity with Binance's Tether price. Coinbase typically has a higher Bitcoin price than Tether on most days, but the premium has recovered from negative to neutral. Now let's discuss a U.S. session could result in newfound momentum, which is what we're witnessing right now. That's right, with the Coinbase premium recovering, Lex Moskowski, a quant trader and crypto investor, said that the U.S. session could catalyze Bitcoin's new rally. Now, theoretically, the Coinbase Coinbase Premium should return during the U.S. sessions, as buyers in the U.S. would be more active during market hours. Hence, if the premium returns as the U.S. market opens, the probability for the continuation of a Bitcoin rally would increase. As he points out right here on Crypto Twitter, this run up to 50,000 keeps being dominated by buying pressure from Binance and others as opposed to Coinbase. This is indicated by a decreasing Coinbase Premium. However, this may also mean that Coinbase buyers join the race when the U.S. wakes up. Let's see. And that's precisely what we're witnessing as Bitcoin just broke out above that critical 50K resistance. And furthermore, a popular pseudonymous crypto trader, Mac, said Bitcoin is likely to surpass $50,000 and build a new support area. As he tweeted right here, new base about to be built on Bitcoin. This is the ideal scenario in my books. With the current state of the market, we might tap $52,000, continue consolidating, and go higher, which is precisely what we're doing right now. So shout out to Mac. Now, generally, both traders and on-chain analysts seemingly anticipate the price of Bitcoin to surpass 50,000 in the near term, which is precisely what we just did. However, with the funding rate indicating an overcrowded futures market, traders expect Bitcoin to correct shortly after reaching $52,000. If this scenario plays out, it would be akin to Bitcoin's reaction at 42,000 when it broke above it. This was followed by a sharp correction to around 29,000 before the price rebounded to new highs. And before we discuss the latest from Max Keiser, Willy Woo, as well as the Bitcoin fully diluted market cap reaching $1 trillion, as well as why Bitcoin could be heading to $1 million, according to Kraken's Dan Held, let's first take a quick look at the overall crypto market. As I showed you earlier, we surpassed 50,000 and then it just dropped back down to 49,600, as you can see right here on your screen, but Bitcoin is still up 3.5% for the day. We have Ethereum above $1,800, Polkadot up almost 6%, trading above $30, and Chainlink down 3%, trading at $32.70. All right, now let's check out this tweet from Max Keiser regarding Bitcoin hitting a new all-time high. This is poetry to my ears. Exploring the intricacies of price discovery is as vast and cosmic as exploring outer space. There is no limit to our collective unconscious inner space, and price discovery is the only way to explore it. Bitcoin is perfect price discovery. Touche. And if you're not familiar with Max Keiser, he predicts a $65,000 short-term target on Bitcoin, as well as a $220,000 year-end target. Let me know if you agree or disagree with his bullish price predictions. Willy Woo just tweeted, number of the day, $4 trillion. $4 trillion of cash sitting in U.S. non-financial corporations. $4 trillion is also gold's financial cap, and $4 trillion is also Bitcoin's projected cap for the end of this year on current models. And he shares some of his sources right here. Gold financial cap. 40% of gold is for financial use, according to Wikipedia, and his Bitcoin projected cap, according to the Stock to Flow X model and Top Cap model, which I covered in a previous episode. He tweeted this back in January. $100,000 price targets too low. Upward bendy motion detected on the Top Cap model. Now on track for $200,000 minimum. Let me know if you agree or disagree with his prediction right here. I also like to point out that Bitcoin's fully diluted market cap has finally reached $1 trillion. Now, what exactly does a fully diluted market cap mean? Here you go. A fully diluted market value is what an asset's market cap would be if all the coins or tokens in its total supply were issued. So there you have it. And before I break down our next story of the day, why Bitcoin could be heading to $1 million, according to Kraken's Dan Held, let's first take a quick look at the overall crypto market cap, sitting at about 1.5 trillion with 188 billion in volume in the past 24 hours. And the current Bitcoin dominance is sitting at 61.1%. That's right. And the current Bitcoin market cap is sitting at a whopping $912 billion. Now let's check out the top gainers within the top 100. We have Cosmos up 32%, trading at $25. Kusama up 19%, trading at $211. Horizon up 18.5%, trading at $59.66. And Icon up 15%, trading at $1.77. As we continue scrolling, you can see some pretty massive gains on the altcoins right now. Now checking out the top losers within the top 100, we have Flow Dapper Labs down 4%, trading at $18.50. Energy Web Token down 3%, trading at $15. XRP down 5%, trading at 54 cents. And Theta down 3%, trading at $3.37. Now, out of this list of the biggest gainers and losers, which altcoins in particular are you most bullish on? Let me know in the comments right down below. Now, checking out one of my favorite indicators is the Crypto Greed and Fear Index. Shows we're currently rated a 95 in extreme greed. Yesterday was a 93, last week a 95, and last month a 79, all of which is within extreme greed. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed Greed and Fear Index. Extreme fear can be a sign investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity, aka BTFD. Buy that freaking dip if you can. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. All right, now let's break down our next story of the day, shall we? Dan Held, growth lead at crypto exchange Kraken, is outlining the catalyst that he believes could ignite a Bitcoin super cycle and catapult the leading crypto to $1 million per BTC. In a new episode of the What Bitcoin Did podcast, Held explains why he believes the current bull market could grow exponentially larger than Bitcoin's boom cycles in 2013 and 2017. Now for some of the highlights from this exclusive interview, Dan Held shares, when I look at these cycles, though, what makes me very excited about this upcoming one, which could be a super cycle, is that this time is different. The 2013 bull run, the 2017 bull run, it was mainly based on retail-driven speculation. The macro markets, the rest of the world, was doing fine. It was a large bull run, and these were mainly speculative cycles run by retail with very shaky infrastructure. With this bull run, we've got a lot of different things lined up. That's right. And before I finish breaking this down, first I want to remind you to smash that show more button right below this video in the description for a detailed analysis of what's going on in the crypto market. This goes for all 700 plus videos right here on my YouTube channel. Also some very helpful resources for you to plug into, including my daily letter, which could be found at letter.cryptonewsalerts.net. This goes out to over 30,000 subscribers every single day. You can also find my blog, which is updated every single day at cryptonewsyes.com. Also be sure to smash that subscribe button right below this video to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. You can also find me on all the major podcasting platforms, from Spotify, the home of the Joe Rogan Experience, to Apple's iTunes. You can also follow me on Twitter to receive daily crypto news alerts. My Twitter handle is Crypto News Yes. And for those of you active on Facebook, I do have a private crypto Facebook group entitled Crypto Alchemy with over 18,000 cryptopreneurs from all over the world. To join it, click this link, request to join. I'll be sure to plug you in. And for those of you active on Telegram, I do have a private crypto Telegram chat, which is uncensored. To join it, click this link. You'll automatically be added, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you personally on the inside. All right, now let's finish breaking this down. According to Dan Held, Bitcoin's primary use case as a store value asset was put into the spotlight by the COVID-19 pandemic amid the rampant money printing of government across the globe. That's right, money printer continued to go. COVID was the catalyst moment that makes Bitcoin shine. With the COVID lens, when we look at Bitcoin, for most people who had dismissed it previously, now it makes sense. And that's where we see this echoed by the institutions, the managers of all the wealth in the world, the large portion of wealth in the world. They look at Bitcoin as a store of value, as gold 2.0, and that is a huge value for the world. That's right. And he continues, as the governments had their response to COVID-19 being money printing, that will devalue these currencies eventually, and folks are looking for the 21 million fixed hard cap of Bitcoin. They're looking at this monetary policy. They're looking at Bitcoin's construction and how decentralized it is. Now you can store value in it, and no one can take that value away from you, and this is an incredible lifeboat. That's right. So Bitcoin's demand, or people believing in Bitcoin, that market has grown tremendously to where now we have institutions. Dan Held adds that the improvement in cryptocurrency infrastructure, which has made the flagship crypto asset more accessible to retail investors, is another factor that could continue fueling demand. That's right, he shares. We also have a much more vast retail customer segment, so retail buyers can now buy Bitcoin on PayPal, Robinhood, Cash App. They can buy it everywhere, and eventually that's going to reach brokerages like Fidelity, like within a retail brokerage, Fidelity or E-Trade and Interactive Brokers. Eventually you're going to be able to buy Bitcoin everywhere, which means Bitcoin can now tap into all the demand that wants it. And for the current bull run to qualify as a super cycle, Bitcoin needs to appreciate over 20x from its current value of about $50,000. So there you have it. Do you feel Bitcoin is likely to reach a super cycle in this bull run? Let me know your honest thoughts in the comments right down below. And when do you feel Bitcoin is likely to 20x from here, reaching a $1 million Bitcoin price? And to check out this exclusive interview in its entirety, I'll include this in the show notes below the video in the description for you to check out and reference for yourself. Now for a quick recap, what I covered with you right here in today's show: Bitcoin futures breaks $50,000 as I shared with you why Bitcoin price is primed for yet another leg up, which is precisely what we're witnessing in the market right now. And as crypto quant Ki Jiangju points out, this 50K battle is about Coinbase whales, US dollar, versus stablecoin whales, USDT. Negative Coinbase premium, but plentiful stablecoins and exchanges. Negative premium should be cooled down to get another leg up. I also shared the latest wisdom from Max Kaiser, who tweeted, exploring the intricacies of price discovery is as vast and cosmic as exploring outer space. There is no limit to our collective unconscious inner space, and price discovery is the only way to explore it. Bitcoin is perfect price discovery. Touche. And as Willy Woo points out, number of the day, $4 trillion. And he also says, upward bending motion detected on his top cap model, now on track for a minimum of $200,000. Also in today's show, I shared that Bitcoin's fully diluted market cap has now reached $1 trillion. Also in today's show, I shared why Kraken's Dan Held believes Bitcoin could be heading to a $1 million super cycle. So where do you feel the Bitcoin price is likely to go next? Do you feel we'll break back above that critical 50K resistance? Let me know in the comments right down below. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this incredible crypto matrix. If you gain value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right, and turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. And real quick, before I go, I want to give a special shout out to our sponsor, BlockFi, the leading provider of financial products and services for crypto investors. You can get up to a $250 crypto bonus with a deposit of $25 or more by using my link below this video. It'll take you here, then simply click this yellow button that says sign up, and you'll notice that the referral code is already pre-populated for you to take advantage of this special bonus. Now, they're currently paying out a 6% annual percentage yield on Bitcoin, so you can literally have your sats work for you. And on USDT, you can earn up to a 9.3% annual percentage yield. And what I love most about BlockFi, besides the fact it's so easy to use and that there's no hidden fees, they are backed by the biggest names in the industry, including Winklevoss, Fidelity, Morgan Creek, and Coinbase. So what are you waiting for? Click the link right down below and get up to a $250 crypto bonus. And let's start stacking those sats. And I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.